Hello again. In this video I'm gonna be creating a simple directory enumeration tool in Python because I'm trying to improve with Python. Yeah, so let's get started. The first thing is I'm gonna be importing the requests module because we're gonna be making get requests, and we're gonna use the with open text manager, is it called, I believe, opening the word list that I have lined up in the same directory with read mode, and then saying as f to make it easy, and then we can say directories is equal to f dot split lines, so we can have them split up like this, so we can iterate over them. If you just print this out, it's just gonna look like this literally. If we have them like this, it should make it easier for us to iterate over them. Okay, now we can create a for loop to iterate over them. So we can say for d in directories, we want our URL to be add an f string here because we're gonna have a placeholder for this d variable. HTTP, take the IP from Tryhackme because this is Tryhackme challenge. Slash, open the curly bracket and say d inside. This will be the variable that will be changing, and it should be the extension .html. This is what they specified here. Okay, this looks good. Then we can say request is gonna equal to request.get, making a get request for our URL. That looks good. Now we're gonna make an if statement to check whether that response is not a 404, or if it is, yeah, if it's not a 404, let's make it this way. So let's say if request dot status code, I believe, is not equal, or we can say, yeah, well, let's say it's not equal to 404, then print valid directory and URL. Else just pass. Okay, let's try this to see. So Python 3 yeah, I have a syntax error. Object has no attribute split lines. What do I have here? If I do .read .split lines, does this work? Okay, so it did work, and we found 4 directories. How many directories can your script identify? Let's enter it. 4. What is the location of the login page? Let's check. So we have some passwords here. I believe there is a question about the password assigned to Rabbit. This is the password for Rabbit. Location of the login page. It's gonna be Apollo. No? And what is this? Cryptic hash Apollo. Where are the usernames? It's surfer HTML. No. Login page, private, I think. Yeah, that's good. Looks good enough. Very simple. Yeah, I'm gonna try to do a video about all of these. Yeah, thank you for watching and good luck.